Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today we're breaking down one of the most important parts of investing, risk versus reward. Every investment carries some level of risk. But knowing how to balance that risk with potential rewards, that's the secret to growing your money safely and confidently. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make smart, steady choices that match your comfort level and your goals. Let's start with the basics. Risk means there's a chance your investment could lose value. Reward is the potential profit you could earn. The rule is simple. Higher rewards usually mean higher risk. A savings account, super safe, but low return. Stocks or crypto, bigger upside, but they can swing wildly. Understanding that trade-off helps you pick investments that feel right for you. Before you invest, ask yourself, how much loss could I handle without panicking? How long can I leave my money invested? What's my goal? Short-term gain or long-term growth? If you're young with time on your side, you can usually take more risk. If your goal is closer, like buying a home soon, it's safer to go low risk. There's no right answer. The best level of risk is the one you can emotionally and financially handle. The safest way to grow is through diversification, spreading your money across different types of investments. Here's a quick guide. High risk, high reward. Individual stocks, crypto, startups. Medium risk, ETFs, index funds, real estate. Low risk, bonds, savings accounts, cash equivalents. By mixing them, you protect yourself from big losses while still earning steady returns. This balance helps you grow without losing sleep at night. Here's the truth. Even safe investing has some risk. But over the long run, time and consistency beat luck. The market goes up and down, but patient investors tend to win in the end. So stay calm, keep your strategy simple, and let time do the heavy lifting. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Remember, the goal isn't to avoid risk. It's to manage it wisely. Stay balanced, stay patient, and keep growing your future. And in our next episode, we'll explore the power of compound interest, why time matters. One of the biggest secrets to long-term wealth.